Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In our today's video, we will talk about the quotient rule of exponents. This one is part of our series about the laws of exponents. So without further ado, let's do this topic. We have here the illustration of the quotient rule of exponents, wherein if you have this expression, x raised to m over x raised to n, to simplify that, all you need to do is to copy the base and subtract the exponents m minus n. So for you to better understand this example, let's have example number 1. Now to apply the quotient rule, we have these examples. Simplify the following expression. In number 1, we are given the expression x raised to 5 over x raised to 3. So what will happen here is to check if the bases are the same. As you can see, the bases are x and x. So they are the same and equal. All you need to do is to copy your base, x, and subtract your exponent, 5 minus 3. The first number you will write here is the exponent of your numerator. Again, x raised to 5 over 3. And all you need to do is to simplify this. So it will give us x raised to 2. This is the simplified form of this expression. That's it for example number 1. Let's move on with example number 2. It's look like a complicated one, but we can do this. We have here 6 x raised to 8 y raised to the 4th power over 24 x raised to 5 y raised to 10. Before we apply the quotient rule, we need to simplify this fraction 6 over 24. And the simplified form of that is 1 over 4. Then next, we will be using the quotient rule to variables. We have here the variable x as their bases. Since they are the same, all you need to do is to copy the base, which is x, and then subtract the exponents. So you have 8 minus 5. Now for the variable y, you have here y raised to 4 minus 10. So to simplify this, all you need to do is to simplify the exponents. You have x raised to 3. We need to erase 1 because this one should be invisible, over 4. And for the variable y, you need to simplify 4 minus 10. It will give you negative 6. We're not done yet because, as you can see, the exponent of the variable y is negative. So what we will do is we need to apply the negative exponent rule, wherein we need to change this into a positive 1. So the final answer here is x raised to 3 over 4 y raised to 6. We need to change the position of your variable y to make it a positive exponent. So let's move on with item number 3. For item number 3, we are given 4x squared y raised to 6 over 12x squared y squared over 12x raised to 12 power y squared. So what will happen here is, first, you need to simplify your fraction, which is 4 over 12 is equivalent to 1 over 4. And for the variable x, copy your base and subtract exponents 2 minus 12. And for the variable y, copy your base y and subtract exponents 6 and 2. Simplify them. It will give you x raised to negative 10, y raised to 4 over 4. As you can see, this is negative. We need to change the position of your variable x to make the exponent positive. So the final answer here is y raised to 4 over 4x raised to 10. This is the final answer for item number 3. I hope you learned something from this video on how to apply the quotient rule of the laws of exponents. Again, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating mga latest uploads. Again, I'm Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye! Hi guys, you can also like and follow our Facebook page, which is named as Math Teacher Gon. We're uploading this for our followers on Facebook, so I hope na ma-follow nyo rin at makita o kaya ma-visit ang ating page. So right now, we have 14,000 followers and likers of this page, and I hope na makasama namin kayo sa page na to. God bless.